What is also important is to be able to switch on original sound. We have a guide on how to do that on phones or tablets or computers. And there are specific steps that you can do to do that. So why we need original sound on is I will demonstrate it now for you. So when we have to do an assessment or we have to evaluate how speech is sounding, we will need to hear the speech sounds really well. And Zoom is really nice at doing all the background noise, like the dogs just start barking in the background for me there. So sometimes it dims the sound for that on when original sound is off. When original sound is off, though, if I ask somebody to do an S sound or an F sound, and we want to keep the sound going, you will not be able to hear, and I won't be able to hear you if you don't, if you say one of those sounds. For example, if I go and I continue and its original sound is off, it sounds like this. So you'll see it'll just stop when I keep going with the sound. If I have original sound for musicians on, it sounds like this. So you can see why in speech therapy, this is a really important function to have on.